Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between light and dark. Also we can schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle, and then we can enable or disable adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast light in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for certain apps. Then we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via automatic brightness. Next we can change screen color mode between Vivid, Natural and Pro. And also we can change screen color temperature. Next we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its intensity and change its mode between color and black and white. Then we can change font size, font style, font weight and enable or disable adaptive font weight. Then we can change display size between large, standard and small, enable or disable video color boost and check supported apps for this function, enable or disable bright HDR video mode, auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, change screen refresh rate, and enable full screen mode for apps and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.